How to fix Instagram comments problem. If you have any problem with the comments on Instagram, this video is gonna help you a lot. So all what you have to do, guys, to fix any problem you have is go to the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, and go to the apps, go to Instagram. This is the app information page. All what you have to do now here is click on this force stop option and then go down to the storage. When you click on the storage, click here on clear data and clear cache. Go back, click on the power usage details, go to the app launch, disable this option and click OK. Go back to the settings, go to the wireless and networks, and then enable the airplane mode, wait a few seconds and disable it again. That's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching the video until the end.